can manually adjust the column width or the row height automatically by using several options. Let's navigate these options. First, to change the size or the width of columns, select the concerned columns, and here you can just click at the edge and grab to change, to the right to extend, and to the left to reduce. There is also an additional option. By just clicking on one of these lines, it should adjust to the correct size of the writing. An additional option, you can go to Home and you can select the option Format, click on it, and here select column width and enter the width which you want to apply. Once done, click OK to apply the adjustment. If you want to change the height of rows, select those concerned, go to Format, and here you can select row height, type the number, and click OK. An additional option, by just selecting the numbers and clicking on one of the edge of these numbers, and it should automatically adjust. Or you can just hold click and drag to adjust all of them at once.